Alright folks, let's work on the row span. The row span it defines your how many rows this row would span, the column would span on. Okay, and actually yes, so it depends on how many rows this particular row or column would span, and this is the code for the row span. Let's get started. And what are you trying to create here? You're trying to create something like this. Okay, my gosh, okay, this is really squeezed, which is why I'm trying to push the code down as I go. This is the guy I want to create. Okay, and this is the row span. 1 2 3 rows this whole thing spans on. Okay, and let me get started on it. Please open up your notepad and push the code down a little bit. Okay, and when I do this, the row span and column span table would show here. I'm not doing the color right now. I'm going to do the color in the next video. Okay, so let's open up the notepad and put your cursor right here under the first break, and I want to push the code down here so that I can write the code easily. Again, this can be copied and pasted. Okay, I don't think I closed the table here. This is so bad. Okay, table tag should be closed, but automatically it was understood that the table has ended. Okay, no worries. Okay, let's try to copy this. Control C here. Okay, and Control V. Open up the table border. You know, the best thing to do is just go all the way down and close the table right now so that we don't forget it. This is a better programming practice. Did you see how easy it is for me to miss this? Now, if this was a very big table or a very big website, you have no idea what kind of disaster we would have to handle with trying to troubleshoot where the code is missing or what syntax problem we had. Okay, it seem harmless right now, but when you're dealing with large volumes of code, it's a disaster, believe me. Okay, so open the table tag and close the table tag, and within it, let's get started. You define the table border and width as 90%. Okay, I'm not going to do anything else here. Let's create the first row, TR. Okay, remember we're talking about row span here. Okay, let's create a header, TH, and within the header, sorry, don't close it yet. Within the header, say style is equal to text align ; center. Okay, and write row span equals to 3. This is going to span over 3 rows. Okay, and then write the name of the header. You could say Harry's duties. Okay, this is the name of the header. Let's close the header tag TH. Okay, clear? And then of course close the row tag. The table becomes so funny when we do not open and close the tags properly. Let's open up another table header. Sorry, we need to create, within this I need to create, okay, yeah, this is the row span. So within this I need to create another header, another cell that's called TD with the help of TD tag, and its style is equal to, I could copy and paste from the top, but I'm just trying to be patient here, align center. Okay, and close the tag like this, and then write the name first aid. Okay, and close the cell tag, and then close the, we've already closed it, yes, close the row tag. Now let's create another row, and within the row you need to say TR. Okay, are you following me why we're doing this? If not, no worries, I'll explain you when we implement the code red protocol. Okay, close the cell and close the row, slightly different than the first one. Open another row and write the same thing again, tr, that's and open td and write code blue protocol. Just, this is all bunch of nonsense, but I'm just trying to explain how you can use tables on a website. Okay, and close this tr. Okay, I am just going to run this code before I add anything. When you set up a table, when you're done with the basic layout of the table, it's best to run the code. Okay, so let's run the code. Let me make sure I have made no mistakes here. You have table border here, and then we have the table row, the first row and the second row and the third row. Okay, because this is going to span over 3 rows, my inverted commas are fine here, they look fine. And Harry's duties, and we have first aid, align center, first aid. Okay, and we have tr, because if the table looks funny, that means you've messed up your code somewhere. It's best to check right now than have some frustration later. Okay, let's save and run this file. Okay, let me try to run this file. Desktop. Okay, I came out of it. Okay, there you go. Alright, notice there's no gap between these two, which is why I stress that please let's add a break, line break here. Okay, we can add a line break easily. Okay, okay, so we have Harry's duty, which is spanning over 3 rows, and these are his duties here. Okay, for first aid, code red protocol, code blue protocol. Okay, up next I want to show you how to add color. Okay, color to your tables. Let's move out of this video